Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Koch Hr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kochid.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Koch ID official website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and now you can find the in for employees only option. Click on this and you will be taken into the employee login portal. Go ahead and type in your first name followed by your last name separated with a dot and then use the @info.com domain. Then click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your account password within the given box and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Koch Hr right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the can't access your account option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Koch Hr account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.